So in this video I'll be creating this look. Hello and welcome back to my channel. So to start with my makeup, I have moisturized my face. I'm applying a peach color corrector. You can even go for orange color corrector if you want. You should use an orange color corrector when the pigmentation is too dark. Next on the color corrector I am applying some loose powder. It will dry my corrector and it won't get mixed with the foundation. Next I'm going to apply my foundation. Always shake your foundation bottle before you apply it. I'm applying the foundation with a foundation brush first, and then I'm going to blend it with a wet beauty blender. Some foundation may look light at first, but then they oxidize and look like your natural color after some time. Drag the remaining foundation on your neck and on your ears also. Don't forget your hairline while applying the foundation. Otherwise, difference can be seen between your hairline and your face. Once I'm happy with the blending, I'm going to highlight my face with a light concealer. Again, I'm going to blend it with a wet beauty blender. Blend the concealer on your eyelids also, so that it creates a base for your eyeshadow. Next I'm going to set everything with some loose powder. I'm using a powder contour to contour my face. I'm using this particular shade. Take the contour into your hairline so that it creates a natural look. I'm using a small brush to contour my nose. Next I'm applying powder blush. All the products I'm going to mention in the description box below. I'm applying the blush on my nose as well as on my chin. Next I'm applying some highlighter. If you have a flat nose, don't apply the highlighter all over your nose bridge. Just apply at the start of the bridge. To shape my eyebrows, I'm using this pencil that I got from Amazon. It's ash grey colored pencil. Don't use black color on your eyebrows, otherwise your face will look harsh. This pencil comes with a brush on its lid. Here I am using the same brush. To start with my eye makeup, I am using some eyeshadow primer. You can skip this step and use a light concealer as an eyeshadow base. For my eye makeup today, I am using this palette by Profusion Cosmetics. I am using this shade first. With a fluffy brush, I am going back and forth with this shade. Once I'm happy with the blending, I'm going with this shade. For this, I'm using a pencil brush. You can use any small brush for this. You can even use a Q-tip. I'm creating a half circle with this shade. Next, I'm blending any harsh lines. Next, I'm going to cut my crease with this concealer. The trick is to apply the concealer close to your lash line, then look up. This way you'll know where to cut your crease. Next, I'm using this loose pigment by Faces Canada. I have wet my brush with some Fix Plus spray, then I am applying the loose pigment with it. Next, I am fixing the corners. The same purple shade I used earlier, I am going to apply on my lower lash line as well. Next, I am fixing the corners little more with the purple shade. For my eyeliner, I am using this liquid liner by Maybelline. I am using a zero number brush that we use for painting. The brush that comes with the eyeliner was very thick, so I wanted a thin eyeliner, so I am using this brush. I am creating a small wing on my outer corner. I somehow messed the wing, so I'm going to fix it with some concealer and a flat brush like this one. I'm extending the wing a little more. To tightline my upper waterline, I'm using this kohl by Maybelline. I'm keeping my lower waterline blank. Next on my lower lash line, I'm using this shade again. To highlight my inner corners, I'm using this shade. To apply my falsies, I'm applying the glue first. Always apply more glue on the inner and the outer corner. Apply the falsies in the middle first, then press it on the outer corner, and then press it on the inner corner. After applying your falsies, if it's necessary, you can fix your eyeliner again. Next, I'm applying some mascara. Next, with an angular brush, I am applying this shade close to my lower lash line. You don't have to go all the way in. Next, I am applying some lip liner. I am going to fill in my lips with it. For lipstick, I am using these two lipsticks. First, I am going to apply the dark shade, then apply the light shade over it. I am again lining my lips with the lip liner. If you try this look, do let me know in the comment box below. I used blue eyeshadow because my saree is a combination of blue and green. The blue shade is not visible in the video, but it is present in the saree. So do let me know how you like this look in the comment box below. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.